Hello everybody, so I'm going to be opening up some Primal Clash packs today, and we're going to see if I can get anything good, because Pokemon openings are nice and fun, and they make me happy, so we're going to do that. To cheer me up today, Primal Clash. And I forgot what the trick is for Primal Clash. I think it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We'll try that. Don't know if that's actually gonna work, but okay, got a Clamperl. A Vulpix. It's a very nice Vulpix. Whoops. Scorched Earth. Oh no, dang it. Okay, so it was supposed to be 2 and 2, not 2 and 3. Put a water Pokemon from your discard pile onto your bench, then draw 5 cards. That's cool. Because that's from an old set. That's a cool stadium too. And the reverse is just an uncommon. And then the rare is a Beedrill. Nice. So it's really pretty, like, reverse right there, so I'm gonna count that as a hit because it's really pretty. But anyways, alright, next pack. So I didn't get anything too crazy out of that one, but I've never seen that trainer before, so that was kind of interesting. Ooh, we got a pretty Horsea right off the bat. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. So it should be 2 and 2, I think, this time. Alright. Okay, so, like, literally a bunch of stuff happened when I was in the middle of filming this. So it's like, yeah. Anyway. So, continuing on. Oh, dang it. I think I did it wrong again. Cause what? I don't know. Okay, whatever. There's the reverse. It's a Gohana, a Nidoqueen, which is not a rare, actually. Katana. Oh, there we go. Ding, ding, ding. Hey, it's the evolution of that one. Very nice. And Arcane. But this is nice. Got a holo, guys. Very nice holo. Got a holo and a reverse right there. Alright. This one has a Gardevoir on it. Oh my gosh. Can't open things. Maybe it's just 1, 2, and then like that. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm not good at this whole like trying to figure out the pack trick thing. Loaded. Shrollock. It's a mole. Nose pass. Fricklebee. Ooh. Vulpix. No way. Guys. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Dude. No. What? That's awesome. My goodness. What a fantastic pull. And I think that Primal Clash is probably out of print, so that might actually be worth some good money. I'll have to look it up and see. Alright, we got a hidden ball trick. Interesting. It's kind of similar to this one over here. Got a Rhyhorn. Sorry, a Rhydon. And a Whiscash. Alright, last one. Primal Clash booster. Anyway, honestly, maybe it's just like to the front. Maybe I got it right this time. That's a really, really cool Spirit Link, dude. I collect Spirit Links because I'm weird. This also means there's a Kyogre EX in this set, which is really cool. And Mudkip looking all cute. Charm Pitch. Got the full evolution chain going on there. Nose Pass. Spindola. Mercia. Reverse. And the rare. And that one, another one in that evolution chain right there. But that's the rare. There's the reverse. This is still a rare though, so I'll sleeve it. Even though it's just a regular rare. Right there. So, no last pack magic there, but this is pretty sweet. The teammates full art trainer. Pretty cool. Plus, we got this whole, like, evolution chain thing going on with that holo, so got two out of 4, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all, guys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and that you'll give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. I like talking to you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!